Good morning everyone. In previous class we discussed about the building estimate, which is chapter 2. In this class we discuss about the chapter 3 of estimating and cost evaluation 1. Topic is analysis of rate and valuation. So here we discuss about the analysis of rate. Okay. So first of all we need to know what do you mean by analysis of rate. Okay. So first of all we are going through the definition part. The process of determining the rate of any work in civil engineering project like earthwork, concrete work, brickwork, plastering, painting, etc. is known as analysis of rates or simply rate analysis. Okay, the rate of this work further helps in determining cost of particular work and in turn of cost of the project. Okay, by the help of analysis of rate, we define the different project work and its particulars and the labor requirement of the particular project and the material requirement of the particular project and what is the total cost of the particular construction. So it is help to define the amount and the cost of the particular work and what is the turn of the particular project we can define by the help of the analysis of the rate. Okay, so here the first it is the rate of any process to or work depend on various factors. The various factors that are involved in determining the rate of any process or work are mentioned below. First one is the specification of work and material, about their qualities, proportion and constructional operational method. Okay, so then the quantity of material and their costs, and next is the cost of labor and their wages, location of site of work and the distance from source and conveyance charges, then overhead and establishment charges and profit. These are the process of or work depend on the various factor of rate analysis. Okay, then what is the need of rate analysis? To determine the actual cost for unit of the item, to work out the economical use of material and process in completing the particular item, to calculate the cost of extra item which are not provided in the contract bond but are to be executed as per the direction of the department, then to revise the schedule of rate due to increase in the cost of material and labor or due to change in technique. Okay, it is the basic need of rate analysis. Okay, then for the calculating the rate for unit of an item, following softwares are estimated and added together to get the rate for unit of an item. First is the quantity of material and its costs. Okay, so first of all we need to define the what is the quantity of material and what is the cost of material. So before we going through the any calculation or the any analysis of rate per unit or for item, we have to know about the material cost and how can we define the quantities. So without quantities the material cost is not required. So after we define the quantity of material, then we put the cost of material. Okay, after that we going through the labor cost. So for then we going to first of all we need to know about the labor cost. How can we know about the labor cost? As per the OPWD, Odisha Public Work Department, the per year the labor cost and the material cost is revised. So we can find out the labor or labor charges schedule from the OPWD. Okay, then going to the sundries part. After the quantity of material and cost of material and labor cost we define, then we going to the sundries part. It means extra expenses, lump sum item, TLP. These are the going through the sundries part. Okay, then after that the total of quantity of material and its cost plus labor cost plus sundries, then we get the total value of the particular unit. Then we add the water charge which is 1.5% of total cost. Okay, which is the quantity of material plus labor cost plus sundries. So first we define the total cost, then we consider the 1.5% of water charge. After that we consider the contractor profit, which is 10%. 10% of what? 10% of total quantity of material and labor and sundries. The 10% of this three amount we consider as contractor profit. Okay, then we get the total value of freight per unit. Okay. Next, here the rate of material, which is first class brick, second class brick, brick bars, coarse sand, cement, twisted bar, bitumen is provided here. But most of the material which is used in the cement concrete, plastering and flooring and accessory work, and otherwise other material is available which is the different price. But here only if we consider the important items or important materials which is used in the cement concrete part and first class brickwork part and the RCC part. So first of all we discuss about the first class brickwork, which is price is 4,500 for 1,000 numbers. Okay, then second class brickwork which race is 4,000 for 1,000 number. Then brick ballast price is 800 for cubic. Then coarse sand which is race is 800 for cubic. Then cement 50 packs which is race is 274 packs. Then twisted bar which is race 5,000 per quintal. Then bituminous race 10 per kg. It is the most of the important material which is used in the calculation of rate analysis. So the rate of the materials which is vary yearly. So it is the 2015 material cost. Then after that we are going through the part rate of labor. Okay, so mostly here headmason, mason, carpenter, bisti, mazdoor, painter and boys and women coolies, blacksmiths, polisher normally used. So here these are the labors which is rate is provided here. The headmason rate is raised 450 per days, mason rate is raised 400 for days, then carpenter which is raised is 400 per day, then bisti raised is 250 per day, then mazdoor which is raised is 250 per day, then painter raised is 300 per day, then after that blacksmith raise is 300 per day, polisher raise is 250 per day. Okay, so these are the labor which is also vary yearly. It is considered as the 2015 OPWD rules schedules. Okay, then after that it is the labor requirement for different type of work. So what is the need of labor requirement for different types of work? The different types of construction or different types of particulars, different types of labor. Suppose in case of excavation the which labor is required. In case of plastering the different types of labor is required. So the labor requirement of different types of work we discuss. Then after that we go through the calculation part or analysis of rate part. So first in case of labor requirement we discuss the cement, concrete and foundation. Okay. So here today time is over. The cement, concrete and foundation part we discuss in next class.